I don't know what cookie jar this is.
I hate these rides so much, Mike. You're the worst for making me ride these things.
Then why'd you want to get on it?
I don't know, because it's funny.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Flying Cookie Jars. Please remain seated with your seatbelt secure at all times and keep all hands and arms inside the basket. All loose articles, including hats, towels, and cameras, are not permitted. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Oops, no cameras. Well, there's a camera on the ride now.
Flying Cookie Jars better than Magic Carpet Ride.
Is this good for you? Oh, shit. Can we break these? Won't fall to the ground? I mean, listen, the one at Great Adventure went pretty quick.
Zamperla!
Zamperla!
Italian! Just let it go. Because we're spinning the right way that the ride's going, so we shouldn't have to really maneuver it.
Oh, what about that challenge where it's like you pick a point somewhere and then you just try and like keep it like looking toward that one direction? We could try it. I haven't done that in a while. Oh wait. There we go, there we go.
Oh, I'm so dizzy. Oh, it's hard.
It's really hard actually, wow.
Wait, let's just go that way. And then, yeah, we will always go toward Vape Trail.
Oh, look toward Vape Trail.
Vape Trail, Vape Trail.
Like,
Vape Trail, Vape Trail, Vape Trail, Vape Trail, Vape Trail, Vape Trail, Vape Trail. Oh, it's working.
it is working. Hold on.
Oh, wait, and then you gotta
be quick with it.
Oh no. Well, we lost it.
Yeah, you gotta be really quick with it.
Oh, no, no. Wait. Okay, I guess you wanna just go the other way?
I don't care.
Ready?
Well, I was just gonna spin as fast as we can to get down again.
That's what I'm doing. Going the other way though.
You need 2 people on the wheel if you want to spin fast.
Actually, move. Ready?
Go, Jason, go! Holy shit! Whoa!
Yeah, East Coast.
Oh man.
I grunted.
Oh, Actually, I might as well just leave my head like this. It's actually kind of comfortable.
That's worse. That's worse. Don't look up.
No, it's not.
Don't look up.
It's actually kind of cool.
No, I'm looking down. Looking down at a fixed point that does not move.
Well, why are you looking down then? Just look up. Okay. You look like you had enough.
I have.
Oh man. Oh, here we go. I can stop it.
Before entering, please be sure to bring an extra large bag of cookies and leave unattended. Thank you and enjoy the ride.
That was awful. I loved it.